Hello everyone, this is MP. So today we're gonna use a simple text file as for our parameterization. As you know that in my previous video we have used the CSV file and Excel file. So in this video we are using text file as to input the username and password, or anywhere you can use it as your parameterization. So let's make a function to read the text file. So this is our main method. As you know that here we are calling like the text file. This code is like from my previous video, so we're gonna call that method here. So let's make a function public static, so it will be a string type, and we're gonna, because there will be a multi-lines in a text file, so we gonna pass the array for this one. So let's make a name read text file. All right, and what we gonna pass it as a string, we gonna pass the path. So we can say file path. All right, so let's go, and so here we have to declare a string type of array. So you can say data text equals to system dot io dot file dot read all lines. So we have to use this. There are other different methods, so you can also check that. So if we have to read just one text, so there is another method. So it's a like different way of reading how to read the text file. So here we have to pass our parameter. So here we can also give like the encoding type. So when we save our text file, what kind of encoding it has. But here I'm just simply pass the path. So we're gonna pass the file path. All right, and here we're gonna return it as a as an array. So we're gonna return as a data text. All right, so it is ready. And for to using this method, we need this namespace, like using system.io. all right, so let's call that method. So my function, and here we have to put in a variable. Okay, so my test data text. So you can give like any name, whatever you like. So we're gonna say custom function dot read a text file, and then we have to pass a path. So let's make a text file. So we can make a text file. Here I can give like different value. We can say it's hello, hi, how are you. So it will treat this a one lane as a one value. So in CSV, if you have a comma, you can give another header and all that stuff, but here you can't do that. You can do that, but with the with another programming effort, so which I will also show you soon, how you can use your text file as a CSV file. You can treat it as a CSV file with the logic. I'll show you that in my upcoming video series. So we can save this. As you know that we can save it as a my data file. So here we have to save as a txt format. All right, so there are different format, but we are using all file and .txt format. All right, so these are our other file formats are existing. All right, and what we have to do, we have to copy the path. So let's copy the path. Let's close this file, and here you can copy the path and pass it as a string. And here this one and semicolon. All right, so it is ready. So now we have a array type of variable which is test data text. So now we have to put this in a for each loop to read it. So here we're gonna put this is our collection, and variable type is string, and item is what we can call it as our text data. So this you have to give by yourself. This is like this stands for a single lane, and this single lane is coming from this whole array collections. So here we can say message box dot show text data. All right, so here it will give us a text data. All right, so let's run this. To see if it's reading correctly or not. So right now I am running in a debug mode. As you know that it takes some time. It might run so quickly, but don't know. So yeah, I was talking in upcoming series I will use text file. I'll treat it as our CSV file. All right guys, so here we have like the first text which we having, and it was hello, and then other one was hi, and last one was how are you. So it is working. So similarly you can so here, like for the username, here I am using the Excel file parameterization, but you can put this you can extend this loop up to here, how many times you want to use it. So you can just copy and paste this text instead of these rows. So it is very simple. So but here in this method you can't use the username and password at the same time. But if you want to do that, like suppose that if you are making a different file, right? So for username you can use this file which I already made, and for password you can use a different file. So what you can do, similarly you can make a file and just copy and paste this and give a different name. Like suppose that this is our username and this is our password, so give a path of the second file, and then you can use the second variable for your password. So which is a little inconvenient, but this is the way that you can do that for text file. And in my upcoming videos I will also show you how you can treat your text file as a CSV file. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate the comma and treat the other value as your second value, So alright, so this is pretty much it is for this video. So I hope you like the video, and I hope it will help you and it will gives you a little bit of information how to read the data from the text file, even though it was very simple. But anyways, it's my responsibility to just to put all the stuff here together for coded UI, whatever the options you have. So this was the option is from all of the options which we have to use for parameterization. Alright guys, thank you very much and I hope you liked the video. So stay tuned, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.